Are you tired of car repairs draining your wallet? Wish you could just buy a car that runs forever without costing you a fortune? Well, buckle up because in today's video, we're counting down the 10 cheapest cars that simply never break down. These cars are legendary for their bulletproof reliability, dirt cheap maintenance, and mile-crushing durability. If you want peace of mind without blowing your budget, this is the list you need. 10. 2009 to 2013 Toyota Matrix. A tough, practical hatchback powered by Toyota's ultra-reliable 1.8L engine, shared with the Corolla. Regularly exceeds 250,000 miles with minimal care. Easy to fix, fuel-efficient, and usually under $7,000. This thing just won't die. 9. 2005 to 2011 Toyota Corolla. The undisputed king of reliability. The 1.8L engine is simple, durable, and maintenance is cheap. Common to see over 300,000 miles with basic servicing. Clean ones still sell for under $5,000. 8. 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. Legendary for its unkillable 1.8L engine and rock-solid transmission. Light, fun, and fuel-efficient. Maintenance is dirt cheap. That's why millions are still on the road today. 7. 2004 to 2008 Toyota Camry. Spacious, comfortable, and nearly indestructible. The 2.4L engine easily hits 300,000 miles. Fuel economy is great for its size, and insurance rates stay low. A true budget-friendly workhorse. 6. 1999 to 2004 Honda CR-V. A compact SUV built to last. Shares parts with the Civic, has a tough 2.4L engine and durable AWD system. Simple design, roomy interior, minimal electronics. Many still running past 300,000 miles. 5. 2003 to 2008 Hyundai Elantra. An underrated gem. Reliable, cheap to maintain, and easy to repair. The 2.0L Beta engine is dependable, and you can find these for under $3,000. Excellent fuel economy and solid build for the price. 4. 2006 to 2011 Mazda 3. Blends reliability with fun handling. The 2.0L engine and manual gearbox are nearly bulletproof. Rust is the only real enemy, but a clean one will last for years. Cheap to run, enjoyable to drive. 3. 2001 to 2007 Toyota Highlander. Midsize SUV with a 3.3L V6 that easily reaches 300,000 miles. Smooth, simple, and reliable, perfect for families. Used models cost around $4,000 to $7,000 and require only basic maintenance. 2. 1999 to 2006 Toyota Tacoma. One of the toughest small trucks ever made. The 2.7L four-cylinder engine goes well past 300,000 miles. Simple design, easy repairs, and incredible resale value. Perfect for work or daily driving. 1. 1998 to 2007 Toyota Corolla. The definition of reliability. The 9th Gen Corolla regularly hits 400,000 miles with basic care. No turbo, no CVT, just bulletproof engineering. Drivers of all kinds swear by it because it never quits. Want your car to last even longer? Change the oil on time, flush your coolant every 2 to 3 years, and don't ignore strange noises. Even the toughest car needs some care. There you have it, 10 of the cheapest cars that never give up. If you're shopping on a budget and want something you can trust, any of these will keep running for years with minimal drama.